Easy cooking ideas. Cheap and simple. Easy to learn. Using simple ingredients. Simple quick recipes for beginner. Let's get cooking at home. Home Cooking Channel 2020.
Before you start watching, please click the like button. Then, click the subscribe button. Lastly, click the bell, click the first one, all. Don't worry, the subscribing is free. After subscribed, you can be the first to see the videos we posted. Will not cause you any losses. Please feel free to like, and to subscribe to this video and share it with your friends. Your small actions can give us great encouragement. We greatly appreciate your support. Welcome to Home Cooking Channel. We show the tasty, fast and easy cooking method. The most easy way to cook tasty fish for beginner, episode 5. Today we will show you how to cook tasty black vinegar crispy fish fillets in simple way. Our main ingredient is fish fillets, and what type of fish we use today. Iridescent shark fish, or, we call it, silver catfish, from Vietnam. We use the frozen fish fillets 1,000 grams in the packet, imported from Vietnam. Here are the 1,000 grams silver catfish raw fillets. To safely thaw frozen fish, place the fish in the refrigerator overnight so it can thaw out gradually. This is the best way to preserve the fish's flavor and texture. Wonderful. It's look very fresh. Come on, let us add a teaspoon of salt to marinate the fish about 1 hour. Adding some white pepper powder can help to remove the fishy smell and also enhance the taste. Pour out 2 tablespoons of cooking wine.
Add a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. Add an egg into the fish. Mix it well, then let it marinate at least 1 hour.
This is the fish fillet after 1 hour marinating. The secrets to make crispy fish fillet: 4 to 5 tablespoons of cassava starch must be added. We only use cassava starch because when fried in high heat, the fish fillet will become more crispy, crunchy and tasty. Mix it evenly. Before refrying, just add on 2 tablespoons of cooking oil on it, and mix it evenly. We do this step is because we want to avoid the fish fillets will stick on the wok when we fry it. Okay, ready to fry, turn high heat, let's fry the fish fillets. Heat up the wok to maximum high temperature. Fried it until yellowish, and then take out. You can feel the fish fillets is so crispy now. Okay, now we prepare the sauce. This is black vinegar. You can smell very strong sour aroma. Here we use 5 tablespoons of black vinegar. Pour in the bowl. Because it is very sour, so we put 4 tablespoons of sugar to balance up the sourness to perfect tasty. Stir it evenly. This dish is very simple to cook, the steps is easy. Okay, let's go to the next steps. Heat up the wok with high heat, then pour all the fried fish fillets into wok, stir it evenly, don't add oil. This step is allow the high heat to roast up the fish, make it more crunchy. Make sure the wok is hot enough, then pour the black vinegar in and continue to stir fried quickly, until the black vinegar sauce become dry and stick to the fish fillet, but don't overcook and it will burn them, give you a bitter taste. Alright, this fish is ready, take it out. Perfect, you can smell very strong sour vinegar aroma, it tastes as sure delicious, very appetizing. This is the perfect black vinegar fish fillets. It's a bit of crispy, sour, sweet and unique taste. Let's DIY for your dinner now. See you next video. Bye.
Please subscribe and press the bell if you enjoy my video. More video is waiting for you.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my video.